what we've got here is we're going to test this relay. This and this are the same. I've just taken the cover off. It's a 24 volt coil rated at 16 amps. So I'm going to push it to 40 amps at 10 volts for 3 seconds, and we're going to see what happens. So here we go, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, nothing happened. One more time. Okay, we should have seen some sparking or something going on here, but we didn't. This time we are increasing the amperage by adding more coils in here. I'm expecting it'll be around 50 amps, but I've reduced it to 1 second of duration. And here we go on 3, 2, 1. Alright, it didn't burn up. One more time to see what the amperage looks like. Yeah, pretty close to 60. So now I'm going to increase the duration. 2 seconds. There we go. 3, 2, 1. No change. 3 seconds. And here we go. Wow, that's impressive. I'm going to go to 5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 5 seconds. Alright, so
a few minutes later.
Alright, this time we've got a much bigger load. It's a piece of iron wire. Don't know what we're going to get. I've lowered the timing to 1 second. So let's see what happens on 3, 2, 1. Whoa. I think that's the end of that relay, folks. We are returning to the lemon clock that was started a month ago on Friday the 13th. Today is Friday the 11th of October. So it's been running for a month and still keeping time. But the lemons are pretty much at their end of life. You can see that they're just moldy and not very appetizing, but still producing enough electricity to power this little LCD clock. Now LCDs don't use very much power, so they can last a long time. If it was a light bulb, it would have been dead long ago. 2 lemons. When we started, we had about 1.8 volts. Now, I'm not sure what we have.
I'm not a lemon anymore. Not really. I feel shame and regret for my actions. I see the suffering of lesser beings.
We should be seeing voltage on here at 1.08. A full battery is 1.5 volts. So we're down to the kind of the bottom end of the threshold of functionality. But again, still working. And that's about it. It comes down to not only what is it expected to do, but what can you add to it that they might ask for. So you got to think beyond the motion. If they want 5, give them 10. And durability. You never know how long it's got to last on set. They all say, well, it's over in 2 takes. Well, no, sometimes it's a whole lot more. For example, the rig that we made where Senator Kennedy pops out of the water and falls forward, we did 45 takes of that in water. So everything I built had to be waterproof, or water could handle it. And take after take after take, different lens, different position, all that. So no two jobs are the same. Okay, this is what I call the Picton Lampagoid, and it's designed to do low voltage DC experiments, 12 or 24 volts at very high amperage. I have the capability of going up to 1,000 amps, though I've never been that high. What we're going to run first are these coils here, and they are 0.2 ohms each. Pardon me, 1 ohm each, collectively 0.2 ohms. So that's the size of the load. Pay particular attention to the amperage that's seen on this one, because that's the true load. This will give you the voltage, and it is on the 15 volt scale is what we're going to follow. So midway is, maybe it's on the 30, I forgot. Doesn't matter, it's 12 volts, and I'm going to throw the switch, and these will heat up over time. So here we go. Now I'm seeing on this is a 500 amp scale, so times 20 times 5, it's 100 amps in play here at 12 volts. So there's 120, pardon me. This is just starting to heat up here. So there's 120 amps in play right now. And these don't get hot enough to glow. If I run it on 24 volts, it will. I don't know if your camera sees the heat signature coming off them, but let's see what happens if I put paper on it. Alright, it's not that hot. Alright, well that's about as exciting as watching paint dry. So let's change it up. Switching off. And it's a little warm. Let's get that out and get the wire in.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we go. We'll see if this wire is going to melt.
Oh yeah.
I think it melted. Quickly. Did you happen to notice what this went to? Okay, and that's that.
Can we do that one more time?
12 seconds later.
3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yeah. That's exactly what I want to. That was good. Yeah.
Woo! You. Really,
Yes.
well, it flopped. I was bringing it down and then it sort of...
Yeah, no, I noticed. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Let me take a look at that. You could sell that on Shutterstock, man. If you want to, like, you know what I mean? Like, that's just.
Do you know what happens to a toad when it's struck by lightning? The same thing that happens to everything else.